Simple harmonic motion refers to an object moving in a way which can be described by the sine and cosine functions. So if you have something on a spring going back and forth or up and down, or if you have something on a pendulum, or even rotating in a circle. And this is really convenient because it can be described in periods where one period is one full round through its range of motion. So in question 34 of the AP exam, we have an object initially hanging in equilibrium from a vertical spring. The object is pulled down 15 centimeters from its equilibrium position as illustrated above and released at time t equals 0. The object then oscillates with a period of 2 seconds. Let x equal 0 be the equilibrium position, and let the positive direction be upwards. And this is just a picture of what's happening. And our question is asking, what is the total distance traveled by the object during the first 2 seconds of motion? So in the first 2 seconds, that's its period. So in its period, it starts at the bottom because it's been pulled down. It goes all the way up and all the way back down. So in the previous question, we drew a graph demonstrating what's going on in this function right here. So as you can see, it starts at -15 and it goes in this 2 seconds of its period. First it goes to its equilibrium position, which is 15 centimeters, and then another 15 centimeters to its maximum, and then back to equilibrium, another 15 centimeters, and then another last 15 centimeters down to its minimum. So in this range of time, it's moved 15 centimeters a total of 4 times. So to find the total distance traveled, we can multiply this 15 by 4 and we get 60 centimeters, which tells us how much it's traveled in one period or 2 seconds of its motion. And this is answer C on question 34 of the AP exam. For a more detailed analysis of what's going on in this question, which includes finding the equation for the position of this object, watch the previous video on question 33.